Hey guys, it's Jill here from Lavender and Friends, your source for essential oil education and inspiration. It is time to open up my April order. I'm super excited because, as you guys will know, my Mother's Day present is in there. Kind of cheating to be opening it myself, but that's okay. We'll just go with it. Now, before I kick into opening up and showing you what's inside, I'm going to explain a little bit about the Loyalty Rewards program. Now, one of the perks of having your own doTERRA account, besides getting a 25% discount off retail and having ongoing training and support, is that you can activate the monthly ordering program. It's kind of like a monthly wellness box that's completely customizable. Every month, you pick what you want to order, whether it's one thing or a lot of things. It ships straight to your door and your cart then resets to the following month. Now, why is this super cool? Well, first of all, you're getting your oils and your products every month, so you're being able to support your health and wellness naturally. But also, when you do an order using the monthly ordering program, the Loyalty Rewards program, you earn points back. Every order you do earns points, and you can then redeem them for free products. Free stuff, yay! So, how do you actually get these free points? Well, first of all, when you do your order, your shipping is returned as points. Sorry, let me just explain a bit more. So in doTERRA, every product has a dollar value and a point value. So when you're purchasing your products, you can pay using money or your commissions, or you can pay using points. So it's kind of like doTERRA dollar, some people call it. So basically, when you do your Loyalty Rewards program order, first of all, you get your shipping back as points. If you spend $8 on shipping, you get 8 points. If you spend $13 on shipping, you get 13 points back. So even if you're only ordering one product a month, just getting one thing a month, by the end of the year, you'd have almost 100 points saved up because you'd be getting 8 points every month because you're doing, minimum 8 points because it's a minimum $8 shipping. Now, on top of this, you can also earn points if your order is more than 50 points. So if your order is more than 50 points, you will get a percentage back. Generally speaking, you'll start on 10% back. So if you do an order over 50 points, you'll get your 8 shipping points, plus you'll get 5 points back because 5 is 10% of 50. And so you're going to end up with around 12 points. Now, a bottle of lemon is 12.5 points. A lip balm is, I think, 8 points. The hand cream is about 9 points. So even just from one order, you can already be getting free products. So it's really, really phenomenal value. Now, after 3 months of doing an order over 50 points, your percentage back will increase. It doesn't have to be consecutive months. You might do big order January, small February, big March, big April, and then when May comes around, you'll have gone from 10% to 15%. And I'm just going to drop my box on the floor. Let me pick that up. Yes, this is live. So every 3 months you do an order over 50 points, it's going to increase your percentage by another 5%. So you'll go from 10% to 15% to 20 to 25, and eventually you'll get to 30%. Now when you get to 30% back, it's pretty amazing because you'll get your 8 shipping points, plus you'll get 30% back off your total order as points. So for example, if you did a 100-point order, you'd be getting your 8 shipping points plus 30% back, which is 30 points. You get 38 points back off a 100-point order. So it's pretty amazing. Now on top of that, there is also the Product of the Month Club. So if you do an order over 125 points and it's before the 15th of the month, you get a free oil every single month. And this month's oil is a cracker. I'll show you all. I'm so excited. Now, occasionally there's extra promotions, so just keep your eye on the doTERRA website or on social media or obviously on Lavender and Friends, and we'll let you know if there's any extra bonuses. Sometimes there's 200-point promos, sometimes there's things where if you enroll a friend, you both get 100 free points. There's lots of different things available. This month, if you enroll with an order over 100 points, so you're a newbie and you decide to join, you get a free Citrus Bliss. But that's not really so important for those of us on the Loyalty Rewards program. So I won't really talk too much about that. So Loyalty rewards, totally awesome. If you don't know how to get onto it, you don't know how to activate it, just chat to whoever enrolled you. So if you're in my team, send me a message or jump into our members only Facebook group, the Lavender and Friends members only FAQ group, and check out post number 2. It takes you step by step, shows you how to set it up. I think I pretty much filmed myself setting mine up. So there's even a video you can watch if you want to, just check it out. So let's see what is inside, since I just dropped it on the floor. All right, first up we have Double L Lifelong Vitality, LLV. Now, you're probably going, why am I getting double? So if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that we love the Lifelong Vitality in this household. It is doTERRA's amazing supplement range, and I highly recommend it to everyone to be trying. Now, normally I take a half a dose, and so does my husband. So in 1 month, we share a pack. Pretty simple, right? With everything going on in the world, we decided that we really want to prioritize keeping our health at an absolute highest level we can. And we really want to be supporting our bodies as much as we can. So we're both back on a full dose, which means we had to get 2 boxes this month, which is fine because we love the Lifelong Vitality. We love how it makes us feel, and we love the fact that it's such an easy way to be supporting our health. Now, if you want to know more about the LLV, definitely go and check it out, get some more information. It is fully TGA approved, so you can actually read on the TGA website about all the things that the Lifelong Vitality can be supporting you with, from your cellular health to your energy to your emotions. Like, seriously, guys, it's amazing. All right, next up we have, yay! We have shampoo. This is very exciting. We've been running very low on shampoo, and shampoo is kind of essential in this house. Now, I have been using the doTERRA shampoo for a year or 2 maybe. As you may have noticed, I do have colored hair. It changes from blue to green to random colors. So the doTERRA shampoo is great if you have colored hair. It's still safe. I still also add my oils in. I have my beautiful mermaid hair blend. So if you want to have a look at that, just jump in the oil squad and you can actually learn a bit more about my mermaid hair blend. But I will show you, this is the big size. So this is the really big size of the pump pack. Now, the Salon Essentials Protecting Shampoo actually includes both wild orange and lime. So it smells absolutely divine, and it really does keep your hair in absolutely amazing condition. So now we have shampoo, we have vitamins, life is good. All right, next up into our oils. All right, we're gonna save that one for the end. So of course we have Lavender Peace. Now, Lavender Peace is the restful blend, and it's a really, really amazing one to help you with sleeping and relaxing because it's designed to help support those healthy sleep habits. This is one we use every night in our diffuser. We pop a couple drops in our diffuser, or you can even pop a drop on your pillow, massage it on the bottom of your feet. It's a really, really wonderful oil that you can be using. Now, if sleep is something you do struggle with, then definitely check out one of my bedtime bliss videos on YouTube or on my Facebook page on the videos tab. And I'll actually go through in a lot more detail about how we can be using these oils to help support our sleep. And then we have our tea tree. Now, again, tea tree is an amazingly versatile oil, and it's a really great one for cleaning and for cleansing. You can add it to your shampoo, you can use it on your skin and your nails, and we actually use it, it's gonna sound really weird, we use it to clean our toilet. So basically, once or twice a day, I'll just put a drop in the toilet and then flush it, and it actually helps to keep our toilet nice and clean. You can use it in lots of cleaning recipes. There's loads of DIY recipes using tea tree, and it's just such a great one. Now, Belinda, how long do the tablets last, as in use by? I'm assuming you mean my Lifelong Vitality, Belinda. And I'm going to check and see, to be honest. Where is the use by on this? All right, so this one expires in January 2021. So it's in like a year's time, I think. So I'd assume the others in the patch, in the batch would be about the same amount as well. All right, so the last oil we have in here is, and I'm gonna totally get this wrong, so I apologize if I say it wrong, Niaouli. So this is a brand spanking new oil Yep, that's right. You can't buy it. The only way you could get it was by doing an LRP order. It is Melaleuca, I'm going to say this so embarrassingly bad, quinquenervia. Now, this is a pretty cool little oil. As I said, it's new. It's a really great one for supporting respiratory systems. And again, it's a really great one for cleansing. So I'm really excited to be learning a bit more about how I can use it. And for those of you that are in our team, I know that Byron of Pure Oils did an amazing rundown on this oil in the Pure Oils group. So just jump on in there and you can have a listen to that. But that was the little, whoops, there we go. That was the freebie this month. All right, last of all, here it comes. Everyone, this is my Mother's Day gift. My very, very talented 3- and 5-year-old bought it for me because they're really talented like that. Now, this is the Precious Florals, and you notice I'm not opening it. After much consideration, I have decided to wait till Mother's Day to actually open it, but I will tell you what's inside because I'm so excited. So this is a collection of rollers that are all 4 mils. So we have our Neroli, we have our Jasmine, Rose, Magnolia, and Blue Lotus. Now, Blue Lotus is a brand new oil. It's completely new to doTERRA. Now, these rollers are all touch, which means they've been diluted with a carrier oil. Now, did any of you guys get any of the Mother's Day gifts? If you did, pop in the comments and let me know which one you got. Did you get the soap? Did you get the florals? Did you get the Marble Brevi, which is a favorite of mine? So each of these oils are very, very beautiful, and they're all really good for helping with calming, relaxation, with hormone balancing, with feeling amazing. So they're pretty much the kind of oils you need when you're a mum, not gonna lie. Anyways, I'm trying to keep this super short and sweet because it's about to hit bath time in our house, and I just wanted to jump on while I had a spare 5 minutes. If you'd like more information about how to get started with these oils, or you are looking for a bit of support, send me a message. I'd love to help you out. Or you can jump straight on my website, which is www.lavenderandfriends.com. Now, as I did announce today, I know Mother's Day is coming up. Dads, there will be no homemade gifts coming from school, so hopefully you're prepared. You've got 2 weeks to get organized. Now, if you do decide you wanted to get a starter kit between now and the end of April, as a little thank you gift from me, I will be including a set of rainbow rollers in your order. So these are beautiful little rainbow colored roller bottles that you can use to mix your oils up. So if you're thinking of getting some oils for a special mum in your life, send me a message and I can help you get started. All right, that's all from me. See you guys.